Welcome to the preview video for the course De-Dupe Video, part of the Legacy Workflow series for professional photo organizers. Removing duplicate videos requires using different scan criteria and different marking options than are used for photos. This course will guide you through the process of removing duplicate videos according to project scope while preserving any meaningful information your client wants preserved. I've been working on the video scan detail spreadsheet since 2023, and it's still improving. It has 5 tabs, and there are 84 scans for finding all the duplicates, although some scans are optional or have optional settings. Each scan requires a specific combination of scan criteria, settings, and options. But because there are fewer scan criteria options for videos than for photos, more scans with minor changes are required to remove videos thoroughly. One column of the spreadsheet provides all the scan criteria details. Red text indicates what needs to be changed on the Scan Criteria tab before you start the next scan. For each scan, there are different factors that need to be considered when marking duplicates for removal. The color coding of text in the Marking Instructions column of the spreadsheet indicates what's changed from the previous scan, what's required, and what marking factors are optional or flexible. I'm Meg McIntyre, and I take digital photo and video organizing very seriously. This is the 7th course in the Legacy Workflow, and what you learned in previous courses is essential for preparing the collection for accurate, thorough, and efficient duplicate video removal. Later in 2025, these 7 courses will be combined into one large course. Enroll soon. Introductory pricing will end on June 30th, 2025. Only Duplicate Cleaner Pro 5 lets you efficiently preserve any information your client wants preserved. Within DCP5, you can preserve information by adding or editing snapdate metadata for some file extensions, editing folder names, or moving videos to a different folder with a meaningful name. And if you don't need to preserve information, the process will be faster and easier. Could you figure all this out on your own? Would you want to figure this all out on your own? I figured it out for you, so you can focus on helping your clients. This course has 5 chapters. Chapter 1 is an overview of the course and includes definitions specific to videos. Chapter 2. Before you start duplicate video removal, it's important to understand the overall strategy and the duplicate marking options. That will help you make the best marking decisions for the collection and for the project's scope. Chapter 3 outlines the options for preserving video information that are different from the options for preserving photo information. There are fewer options than there are for photos. Chapter 4 will help you understand the various sections of the video scan detail spreadsheet so you can use it effectively. There's still more to do after duplicate videos have been removed, and organizing videos presents several challenges. While this course does not provide instructions for these next steps, it will help you to get prepared for them. There are 6 prerequisite courses, and each teaches a different part of the workflow. Everything will be combined into one big course eventually. The course Duplicate Cleaner Pro 5 Fundamentals includes essential information for using DCP5. It's more of a reference than a course. Next is digital file gathering and filtering. Gathering files while preserving all folder structure is essential to accurate and thorough duplicate removal. You can't preserve information if you've left it behind when files were gathered. De-Dupe Photo Part 1 guides you through the process of removing exact duplicate photos, which is much less complicated than removing the rest of the duplicate photos. The 4th course, Digital File Management, includes 19 tasks that make later tasks, especially duplicate removal, much more efficient. Digital File Management Part 2 includes 5 tasks I really should have included with Part 1. The 6th course, De-Dupe Photo Part 2, is the star of the Legacy Workflow series, and the 5 courses that come before it are essential for preparation. Please visit the Photo Organizing Stuff website and my courses website to learn more. Digital photo and video organizing has evolved. I created Photo Organizing Stuff to teach expert-level skills to professional photo organizers and photo managers so they can do a better job and earn more by working very efficiently. Word is spreading that the Legacy Workflow courses teach a superior digital photo and video organizing workflow, but introductory prices won't be available much longer. On July 1st, 2025, the price for the 7-course bundle will increase by $200 from $569 to $769. So act soon and start working smarter, not harder.